Hello everybody! Today we are going to be doing the first video ever of introducing Server.pro. So, this is Server.pro. I have my own free server. You could also create a premium server. You're only allowed max one free server. You could have many mod packs, even vanilla, blah blah blah, forge. There's tutorials, server. Actually not that. And so there's Server.pro tutorials at it's on YouTube. Uploaded by Server.pro.
Why does this keep crashing?
So Server.pro. Oh yeah. So this is the tutorial YouTube channel at Server.pro, yes, so you can make your own servers, put memory, but there is a price to it. So pretend I want to spend the least amount of money. I'll choose vanilla or craft bucket or spigot, whatever. 1 gig hourly. That's 1 credit. Quite not that expensive. Blah blah blah. Just a random host name. Choose a thing, and it says I don't have enough credits. You can buy them with PayPal, and I found it somewhere pricing.
Oh my god.
So see, $1 equals 10 credits. As you can. Well, I saw it somewhere, but anyway, it's $1 per 10 credits, and so I could spend $40 on a full price server. So what I would really love is a Ticket Legends server. So I choose premium. Ticket Legends, 8 gigs, monthly, and pretend I'm so rich that I can do this. I can turn on auto renew if I want. That will auto renew it, so it would just keep on auto renewing forever. Only if you have 400 credits per month, so you can pay, or you can have a normal free server, and that's what I am going to show you now. Apparently my server, so free servers can only run for an hour. They have 2 cores of CPU, memory is half a gig, and 5 gigs of disk. What I found out is that every gig you get 10 every gig of memory, you get 10 gigs of disk. So, pretend you have 8 gigs of memory, you have 80 gigs of disk. So, yeah, but I am going to be doing the free version. You can play around with this. That's premium only. You can change all of that stuff. File manager. You could change the world's whitelist, console, player list, no players online, operators, which is me, and me again. So ban list, you can ban someone. Plugins, add plugins. I only have 3, but for free servers, there's a maximum of 10 plugins. You can create a new world. This is your server page. That you can make. Oh yeah, I'll accept donations, that's cool. Show online players, FTP, you could access it from your computer, blah blah blah. Here's the video, and there's the password. Yeah, Okay. So backup, reinstall. After this video, I'll change my password since you got to see it. But anyway, so yeah, let's hop into playing in it. I've already done quite a lot of things on it. Sometimes this happens. Oh, wait, actually, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so sometimes it takes a little while to start up. But if you had premium, it would just go so fast because you'll have tons of memory, disk, and CPU that it could run really fast. But premium, you have to pay money. If you want to pay the money, you can, but free, you sure can. And so it should have loaded by now. Okay, I guess it hasn't. You normally know when that's up to here, that's still starting. When these go a little, these two go a little bit down, that means it started. You can use both of these, but I am using the number one. Before I was using the word one, but so logging in, see, whoa, now I have to reload my Minecraft. It won't take that long, but actually, wait, I think I might have reset my world. So while that's happening, default, I could make default world, generate structures, sure, create world, restart the server. While it's restarting, I'll get my Minecraft. Oh yeah, and you still take a Legends and AT launcher. It's actually because the reason why is that I didn't have my old account set up and I forgot the password and stuff, so I couldn't use that account. But yeah, so it can't ping, probably because it's still restarting. Okay, so it's restarted. It's still restarting, as you can see. Let's wait for the CPU. Yeah, it's still. Oh, okay. Well, it's up, which is good. My brother just died on die.io, but yeah. So it is logging in. Just wait a little bit. CPU is full, so yeah. If you get premium, you can double the CPU, but 3, it's only 2 cores, of course, so it'll be slow, sort of timed out, probably because it might be still restarting. Loading the water. I played around with a little bit of water, and I could select a minute. So while we're waiting for this to load, okay, it's loaded. Oh yeah, so new world. This is a new world, and if we can go to a big ocean like this one, I'll just do /game mode 1 because I can. Not regular pairs. By server miner. Oh, okay, sure. Well, I don't really know why this is here, but I guess you could go to server miner and. Oh, okay. See, this is just amazing.
What? It's not amazing.
So Server.pro is just really cool. Germany or Florida? I think probably Florida. Next step. Okay, I'll keep that open, but back to Server.pro. Okay, so I guess that's cool. And I have to plug in factions. You could create factions, blah blah blah. But also, if we have a big ocean somewhere, okay, I guess right here's cool. If I do / drain 100, like quite a lot. It's not doing the command, and then it does it. Okay, it wasn't lagging before. It just had internal lag, so it wasn't doing anything. But I guess now that there's lily pads, it would really lag. But with the big ocean, I did / drain 100, and it lagged out lots. It didn't crash, but when I did like / 110, it lagged. So for 3 servers, I would recommend the limit for like 100 for swamp biomes, 100 to 150 for swamp biomes, but for big lakes, maximum is 100 probably. Don't do less than 50 because it would refill the water blocks in an ocean. So I could do / drain. It does lag, but anyway, you can still have some plugins. And I'll kill all the entities.
Including you?
I could do that inside of the console, but yes. And you can Server.pro. See, I would have had my brother to join with us, but he said he can't. So if I go to reinstall Tiga Legends, you can do it, but you have to upgrade and get 2 gigs of memory. And so you're upgrading now. Oh wow, 2048. That would be cool if I said yes. Monthly and 8 gigs. No! What happens if I click upgrade server? Oh yeah, okay. Well, you get it. Tutorials inside of Server.pro, there's even tutorials, how to rent, blah blah blah. Factions, World Guard, Big Map, Townie, and if you go to how to install Forge, it will come up with premium only, so some things are only premium. Don't worry, that how to get free credits is blocked because, yeah, you just can't. And also, be careful.
Whoa, that just...
For 3 servers, don't really do a big chunk. And see here, I have to reload the server. It's probably something to do with my client, but anyway, I will just restart the servers. Okay, so that makes sense. I could go to the server page.
That's it.
So let's just go through all of the features on Server.pro before we get into the Minecraft stage. So the server page. So online, make a donation. I'm basically making a donation to myself. If you do donate to me, I would be very pleasured, but Please note that donations do not guarantee anything in return. Oh, okay, so it's credits. I thought it was actual money. Well, actual money is fine. Credits is fine too, but if you want to, you can. I'm not begging. Oh my god, I really need credits, but I don't. Well, I wasn't begging. But. So, control panel. I have a random egg picture somewhere that I could put on the server icon.
What?
So I could have a server icon. Yeah. Server icon. So the server icon will be an egg. See? It's really cool. You have to restart it to update the server icon. You have to restart it for this. You can disable that, choose how many players. For now it would be actually 2 because one time my brother could join. Actually, my other friends could join. I'll just leave it at 12. So then of course you have to save and restart. When CPU is full, of course it takes not that long. If you don't like Server.pro, you do have triangle.gs. Oh my god, serve.com. Server miner, and also you can search up free Minecraft hosting, and you would get lots of stuff. So file manager, you could upload plugins from your computer. You could upload worlds. Console playlist is basically okay. Apparently I'm not online. Oh yeah, I am not online. So it's Server.pro is actually really good. Just in case I'll refresh. See, so I'm on. I could de-op myself. I could ban myself. I could kick myself. If I press kick, reason for kicking myself. Tutorial reasons. Do not read website owners because I don't know, but they might not read. They might. Tutorial, see, so you could kick yourself, and then if you wanted to, because you're weird. Well, it's sort of fun. I don't really know. So while it's loading the terrain, okay, so if I reload this, I'll just de-op myself for now. So if I ban myself, I hate you myself. Yep. So I'm banned from the server. I can never ever join again. You are banned from the server. Reason, I hate you myself. And so you cannot log on anymore unless the server only goes here and click until forever, apparently. You can IP ban, player ban, but unban, and then what happens is that it gets unbanned, and then you can log on. See? Back to playlist. You could opt, and so see it opt myself /game mode 1. Now this is a really good troll for your friends. So tell them to fly up really high so then they could see a really good view. And then you go de-op console / game mode 0 at A. / game mode 0. Okay. You could do it in game though. / game mode 0. The person's username. Okay, apparently tab doesn't want to work. Yeah, I'm de-opt. So just pretend I'm opt. So I go on and I'm unopt, and then you could do / game mode 0 the username. Okay, finally tab works. And then they go, oh no, dead. And of course the factions are there. Okay, well that's the playlist. Now we're up to the operators. You can type in a name like blah blah blah, if that's even a real name. I'm pretty sure it isn't. So whitelist, enable whitelist. You could enable it if you want. Player name, blah blah blah, add blah blah blah, add, and then get rid of it, just in case you're doing some random maintenance, which you probably don't need to because this is the Server.pro. You'd ban people, Brad, Lee, NZ, blah blah blah, add, then on here I'm banned. If I log in, it will check the ban list and the random reason, unban, and then while it's loading, I could do this, go back on, and I'm unbanned. Yeah. Plugins, you basically add a plugin, so I'll go on a spree. Match the plugin version with your server version. I have 1.10, let's muck around and go on 1.7.9. Doop, 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 doop. Doop. Max 10 plugins. Yeah. I apparently have 11. Well, who cares? And then, of course, you have to restart the server. So just, yeah, okay. I don't want this. Thank you. Okay, so it stopped. Plugins. What's the one? I was like bam bam. Wait, I had 3 at the time, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So World Guard. Oh, essentials. It's essentials. So no swear, anti-spam, World Guard. 9. Ooh. Permissions X. Now, start. This is gonna be fun. Seat still loading. Ooh, nice. It's 196.1%.
He has died.
That sounds crazy.
What? I have died. Okay,
so you can log on again now. And apparently the plugins still work. I'm really surprised. Oh, we have the mail plugin.
You're not gonna. Oh my!
/essentials /kit tools. slash kit tools slash kit tools slash kit tools slash kit tools. Oh, okay. Slash kit tools slash kit tools slash kit tools slash kit tools slash kit tools. Isn't that a bug? I'm pretty sure that's a bug right there. I think we just exploited a bug for Server.pro to fix. So I just thought of a new title of this video, and it's gonna be bug for Server.pro to fix. This series could be bug finding, maybe bug finding. That would actually be quite cool. I should actually make one of those because that's crazy. Because I really don't want to do this. I'll just make a snapshot. Nope. It's why I normally have to change my controls. Sometimes I don't, but sometimes I do. So I'll just make a snapshot and look, I just spread it out and yeah, so that's a complete bug. Imagine if you could do yeah, well, slash kit tools. And it just adds it. So that's quite sick, and you see it is a glitch. Okay, so that's apparently episode 1 of bug finding. And also, if I de-op myself, normally you can't do slash clear. Oh, okay. I think it was a plugin that I could do slash clear. Well, I guess you can't anymore. I don't know what really happened, but slash clear now. Kit tools. Kit tools. Kit tools. Kit. Oh! Slash kit D tools. Holy fuck!
Whoa! God.
Pearson's heaven. Wow! Slash kit. Oh. Kit color. What is this? Ha 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 ha. Very funny. Kit firework. What? This is gonna be a firework or set off a firework? Oh yeah. Thanks. See, this is the amazing thing about Server.pro. You could have like no lag, basically. Sometimes with amazing plugins. Oh dang. So amazing plugins, amazing stuff, and you could host it all public to your friends. It celebrates Server.pro! Woo! What's that? Oh, that was the creeper. That's the first episode of bug busting / Server.pro advertising.